Hey everyone, so I want to make a quick video to show you how I repaired my couch. The spring on it broke, as you can see here, and you can actually repair it fairly easily. Now I got a replacement spring, so you'd actually measure this from here to here, compensating for the slight bend. And you get these clips also that goes down here. You may not need it. You can leave the ones that are in originally, but you also get in the kit, you get these wire ties, and you basically cut them to fit so they hold the spring into place. It also comes with these clips. I don't have any extras because this kit I used up when I replaced this spring here. As you can see, I replaced this one previously, but now this one broke. So I only have an extra spring, but I'm gonna actually reuse these clips. I took some out already, and you can just straighten them basically. And so what I'm going to do is remove the rest of this spring, pop this off from the clip up here, and basically squeeze in the other clip. I just want to show you really quickly the replacement. It's right there. You want to make sure that these clips are really tight. If you get extra wiring in the kit you order, you can join it to the previous spring or the other spring that is right next door. It's it's actually to keep the spring tight and keep it secure so it doesn't come loose. I don't have any more clips like this, but I will put a couple here and actually join it with the adjacent spring. This spring has a lot of tension to it, so be very careful putting it in. I would advise wearing eye protection, definitely, because you don't want to injure yourself in any way, but be very careful when you put it in. It loops into this hook here. I didn't replace this one. In order for me to do that, I would have to actually open up the front of the couch, and I didn't want to do that, so I just reused the old one. But if your clip is broken, you will have to replace it. I didn't have to do that on this one, just like I didn't have to do it on this one. So yeah, that's a quick how-to on replacing the spring on your couch. Thanks for watching.